Types of network. Networks can be classified on the basis of their size, complexity, and the geographical area covered by them. Let us understand these categories in detail. Personal Area Network (PAN). PAN refers to the privately owned network. PAN is used to establish the communication amongst the computers within the range of 20 to 30 feet. This type of network can be wired or wireless. Local Area Network (LAN). LAN is a digital communication system that interconnects a larger number of computers and other peripheral devices within a radius of less than 1 kilometer. This type of network is useful when you want to connect two different departments in a building, example an office, a building, or a factory. The hardware as well as software resources are shared through LANs. Your school lab is an example of LAN. Campus Area Network (CAN). CAN connects two or more LANs that are limited to specific geographical areas. For example, college campus, office building, etc. A campus area network is larger than LAN since it may span in multiple buildings within a specific area. Metropolitan Area Network (MAN). MAN consists of two or more local area networks or campus area networks together that usually spans several buildings in the same city or town. It covers an area ranging from 10 to 100 kilometers. For example, the internet services provided to users in a city or the ATM network of any area falls under MAN. Wide Area Network (WAN). WAN covers a wide geographical area. In other words, it is a group of computers that are separated by a large distance and tied together. It links different metropolitans and even countries across national boundaries. The most popular example of WAN is the Internet, a collection of an infinite number of computers spread across the world.